Welcome to Rebuilding Trust After Abuse, a journey towards healing. I'm Dalian Salmon, and today I will embark on a transformative exploration of rebuilding trust after experiencing abuse. Abuse can shatter our sense of safety, erode our trust in others, and leave lasting emotional scars. However, it's essential to remember that healing and rebuilding trust are not only possible, but within reach. In this video, I will navigate the path to rebuilding trust together, offering insights, strategies, and guidance to empower you on your journey. I understand that each person's experience with abuse is unique, and the healing process is deeply personal. So, whether you have experienced emotional, physical, or psychological abuse, or you're supporting someone who has, this video is intended to serve as a beacon of hope, reminding you that you are not alone in your journey. Throughout this video, I will explore crucial steps that can guide you towards rebuilding trust, from acknowledging and validating your feelings to establishing healthy boundaries, seeking professional help, engaging in healthy communication, and taking it one step at a time. I also understand that rebuilding trust may feel daunting at times, but I want you to know that you possess immense strength within. By embracing the healing process and investing in your well-being, you can reclaim your sense of security and build trusting relationships. So, let's begin this transformative journey together. By rebuilding trust, we can create a future filled with love, support, and resilience. Hey, let's take that first step towards healing. Welcome to my channel, Abuse Insights, where I create contents on abuse topics to include but not limited to childhood or domestic abuse. Abuse can have a profound impact on an individual's sense of trust and security. Rebuilding trust after experiencing abuse is a challenging process that requires time, patience, and self-care. I repeat, rebuilding trust after abuse requires time, patience, and self-care. Rebuilding trust is a personal process, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach because it's a deeply personal and individual process. The following are ways to help process emotions: journaling, therapy, seeking support. Acknowledge and validate your feelings to understand the impact of abuse on you. It is essential to recognize the impact the abuse has had on you and understand that your feelings are valid. Journaling, therapy, or seeking support from trusted individuals can help you process your emotions and provide validation. Establish healthy boundaries and prioritize self-care to rebuild trust. Identify and communicate your needs and engage in activities that promote well-being. By nurturing yourself, you create a foundation for trust to grow. Seek professional guidance through therapy or counseling for support in rebuilding trust. Rebuilding trust after abuse can be a complex process that may benefit from professional guidance as you navigate your healing journey. Experts can help explore emotions, develop coping mechanisms, and rebuild trust in healthy relationships. Engage in healthy communication. It is vital in rebuilding trust. Healthy communication fosters trust by allowing honesty and open dialogue. Practice active listening, express needs and concerns, and offer empathy to others. Rebuilding trust is possible. Rebuilding trust is possible. It is a gradual process that requires time, patience, and perseverance. Take it one step at a time. Rebuilding trust is not an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and perseverance. Celebrate small victories and be gentle with yourself as you progress. Each step forward is a step forward towards building trust and reclaiming your sense of security. Rebuilding trust after abuse is a challenging but transformative journey. By acknowledging your feelings, establishing boundaries, seeking professional help, engaging in healthy communication, and taking it one step at a time, you can rebuild trust and create a life filled with love, support, and security. Remember, you are not alone. Reach out to trusted individuals and professionals for support. With time and self-care, you can rebuild trust and move forward towards a brighter future. And that is my share on this topic today. Thank you very much for listening. Please remember to like and share the video. And also remember, whatever you do to impact your life, do it in a way so that it can impact the lives of others. Have a wonderful day, guys. God bless you. Until next time, take care. Thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, why not do so today? And if you have listened to this video this far, please click the like button.